Hi, I'm Trevor Thrasher, former Green Beret, SWAT cop, street cop, and counter-terrorism contractor. In light of the events that happened this week involving the attempted assassination of former President Trump, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about what's called the attack cycle or the cycle of violence. Now, the reason this is important is because if you understand the cycle and you understand the stages, you'll be able to pick up some key threat indicators early on, which will allow you to prevent these attacks, perhaps alert others, and to keep you and your family safe. I'm going to talk about this in three parts. Part one is basically I'm going to explain the attack cycle from the perspective of a criminal, from the perspective of a terrorist, or from somebody who's an active shooter, active killer. They all have some general things in common. And part two, I'm going to talk about each stage and key indicators you can look for to help you detect one of these crimes in progress or one of these crimes or attacks before they occur. And in the final part three, I'm just going to talk a little bit about prevention, what we can do as a society and what we can do as individuals to stop these events before they occur. If you want to take a bigger deep dive into the cycle of violence or the attack cycle and prepare yourself a little more for active threat events, there are a couple of products I have. One is the Threat Proof Family, which is basically a family emergency action plan, giving people the mindset, awareness, and skills to respond to an active threat or similar incident. And then I have the Active Threat Response Guide, which is good for adults or businesses that want to learn how they can protect themselves from these type of attacks. Check the link in the bottom. Take care, go out there, prepare, and be safe.